Del back with you again on the DelTech channel, and on this week's edition of things that should be terrible but actually aren't, we have this brand new entry, the Costway foldable keyboard from that major musical instrument powerhouse, Costway. Now I know foldable keyboard conjures up images of those terrible kids' keyboards that are monophonic and sound awful, but if I told you that this was £150 on Amazon, then yes, I know it also sounds like total trash, but this is an 88 key foldable keyboard with 88 sort of full size weighted-ish keys, built-in sound generator with passable enough piano, organ and strings, Bluetooth MIDI, sustain pedal port and a rechargeable battery. So let's start with the cons. The action, or rather the velocity range from soft to loud, is terrible. There's no way around it. It's impossible to get softer dynamics from this. But then that's not really the point, is it? For a portable keyboard to practice with, pop in a suitcase for example, this is ideal. For rock players who often hammer out chords at similar dynamics anyway, this is ideal. As a first keyboard for kids, this is ideal. You even get a clip-on music stand and an admittedly floppy case. The Bluetooth MIDI is really its standout feature though. You can install Korg module on your iPhone or iPad and buy the Ivory Piano add-ons, or use UVI's Ravenscroft Grand, or even install the brand new Fancy Pants Pianotech 8 on your mobile device and have a genuinely top-of-the-line piano sound from this thing, which is food for thought. Good work, Costway. The dream, of course, would be for Korg or Roland or Yamaha to make this design, but with their quality of action, we can but dream. See you next time.